Hello everyone, Mauricio here. Welcome to another video of the Q&A section where I answer common questions from the front-end development world. Today's question is, how do I remove an element from an array in JavaScript? The answer is, it depends on how you're working with arrays. Most of the time you wouldn't want to modify the original array, nor leave any holes in it. Nevertheless, I will explain some cool and not so cool ways to remove that element. Let's start with the not so cool ways. First, you have the delete operator. You write delete followed by the array and the index of the element between square brackets. It's declarative and simple, but it leaves your array with a hole. It is recommended to avoid them. JavaScript handles them inconsistently. For example, some methods ignore them, others don't. Thankfully, you normally don't need to know how holes are handled. They are rarely used and affect performance negatively. Second, you have the splice array method. You write your array.splice. The first argument is going to be the index of the element you want to remove. And as a second parameter, you pass the number of elements you want to remove, starting from the index you passed. Splice will return the fraction of the array you are removing, and it will modify the original array. It's better than the delete operator, but depending on the library, framework, or project you're working on, it could be a wrong or right solution. Now let's finish with my favorite way, the functional, clean, I believe, and declarative way. That is the filter method array way. Not only does not modify the original array, but it is also obvious the element we want to remove. You write the array.filter and you pass a function as a parameter. That function will take the element as the first parameter, the index of that element as the optional second parameter, and the array you are filtering as the optional third parameter. Inside the function, you return a boolean. If it is true, that element remains in the array. Otherwise, it will not be included. The beauty of this lies in the use of the ES6 arrow functions that let us write more concise code. Filter is handy, especially when your element is more complex than a simple number or string. For example, objects. And that's it. That's how you remove an element from an array in JavaScript. Thank you for watching this Q&A video, and if you like it, give it a thumb up. So you think this could be done in a more performant and readable way? Leave a comment below. Do you want to see more videos like this one? Then subscribe to the bracket. And if you want to receive a notification when a new video is up, click the bell icon. See you next week!